Okay. Get him, kitten.
Go get him.
Get him. Okay. You're more active. He's drinking water.
Let's keep this again.
Oh, he's killing the mouse.
Dang it.
Vicious kitten.
Squeaky.
Kitten chewing the mouse. More vicious kitten. Vicious kitten. Kitten. Do you know that you're on video? Oh, get the camera. Sorry. Our kittens do not like being on camera. They don't like, so film the natural star who knows to be on camera. Cute kitten. See that the kitten's pretty tiny.
Oh, watch this.
Really cute.
Guys.
Oh, and there's the vicious kitten running.
And the vicious kitten, like...
And he's killing that mouse with... It's made out of fur. It's not real. No, he doesn't like it because it's not real.
And now my kitten is chewing on it like a maniac.
He has pink stuff on his back. He's a fish. He's coming in for the kill. And he leaves.
It's the baby.
And this kitten is doing his ordinary business.
Chewing
This is what he does
his mouth.
every day. We just got these kittens like 2 days ago. And they are already... No! Why did this kitten run away? No. I don't... Oh, this kitten's getting into action. Our natural movie star. You'll probably be in Hollywood one day. No, just kidding. You won't be in Hollywood.
You're just a cute little kitten.
And here's a mouse that is fearing his death. No! Help me! Okay, so let's film the other kitten and then the video will end. Here's a natural star! Who hates me? So here's the kitten. That's the kitten's owner. Say hi, Annabelle.
Hi.
And I'm the other kitten's owner. Yeah. So.
Okay.